start. All right. So we got to go back because remember, this is a continuation question. So I've got to go back to here. PbI2 solid in equilibrium with Pb plus 2 and 2I minus. And remember, we're at equilibrium. So we have some amount still floating around solid. And we have 1.3 times 10 to the minus 3 molar of lead. And we have 2.6 times 10 to the minus 3 molar of I minus. Agree? That's what we had at equilibrium. Okay. So it says we're going to add in some NaI. That means this value is going to change. This value is going to change. And let's just, Hayden, give me a new value to put under there.
37.
How much?
37.
37 times 10 to the minus.
Just 37.
Thank you. 37 times 10 to the minus 2. Okay. That messes up. That messes up the equilibrium. It's no longer at equilibrium. The whole thing is all stressed out. Okay? So it's like this. It's like, oh, my equilibrium got fix me. How does it fix? The fact that it's not at equilibrium, it's all stressed out now. It shifts towards the other side. So what does that shift visually look like? Minus 2x minus x plus x. What am I making? Solid. What am I getting rid of? Some of. Your ions. What happens to my value of Pb plus 2 then? It goes down. Now, how do I explain that without showing some math? I just verbalize Le Chatelier's principle, and I say the PbI2 is in equilibrium with its ions. Adding in some I minus causes it to shift towards the reactant side, using up ions to make solid. That's my answer. That's my justification. Or I can show them the math. I can do this. And I could use Hayden's crazy 37 value if I wanted to. I'm just showing them I really get mathematically what's going on. I'm messing up the 2.6 times 10 to the minus 3 value. It's something bigger now. And now I have to go minus 2x minus x plus x. And if I really was crazy like Hayden and I wanted to find x, I could go plug in this all into the KSP expression, and I could say 8.8 times 10 to the minus 9 is going to equal 1.3 times 10 to the minus 3 minus x times my new value of 37 times 10 to the minus 2 minus 2x squared. Oh, we could have a ball finding x today. They don't ask us to do that anymore. Notice I said anymore. My 90s kids had to go do that. They don't ask us to do that anymore, but they could. They just won't. They want you to understand what's really happening instead of showing your fancy-dancy math skills. They want to know, do you get the chemistry? So showing this shows that I get the chemistry. I just don't want to take all my time and go find x. Okay. I want everybody to go read D for me right now. I want everybody to go read D.